Hi students, today I am explaining how to create ledger in Tally, how to delete, how to alter ledger in a Tally. In a Tally, we want to enter daily transactions means 3 steps we want to follow. One is first we want to create a company, second one is we want to create a ledger, second step voucher creation. Now I am explaining ledger creation in Tally. First, we want to learn what is ledger. Ledger means ledger recording all the transactions of a company, like cash transactions and non-cash transactions. All transactions it is recording. For example, cash account, HDFC bank account, salaries account, purchase account, sales account, etc. So, now we want to create ledger in Tally means first we want to select accounts info in main gateway of Tally. Here we want to select ledgers. Here we want to select ledgers option. Here first I am going to display option. In Tally, two default ledgers we are having. One is cash, second one is profit and losses account. Default ledgers we no need to create again. So, suppose I am going to now create, ledger create. Now ledger creation box it is displayed. So cash default ledger already we are having. Suppose I am typing this one. See, duplicate name already exit it is showing. So in Tally, duplicate ledgers it is not acceptable. So now I want to create a new ledger. I am going to create option. I am going to create option. Now I am taking one example. We will go through that. Now in a form, we have this much transactions. Ramu starts a business with capital amount. Rupees 3 lakh on 1st 4 2014. Cash and capital is a journal entry. Now in a Tally, both in debit side what ledger we are having, in credit side ledger both we want to create. Cash already we have by default ledger. So capital ledger we want to create now. Capital ledger we want to create. Now ledger name is capital. We want to type a ledger name, capital account. Enter. Now capital ledger comes under which group? Group we want to select. In a right side list of groups it is displaying. You can select it. Capital ledger comes under which group? It comes under capital account. Now you can save the screen. Ctrl A is a shortcut key of saving the screen. Now I am pressing Ctrl A. Our ledger is saved. Next one more ledger I am creating now. Now second transactions we have paid building advance rupees 20,000 by cash. Now building advance we want to create. Building advance. Building advance account. Building advance ledger comes under deposits and assets. Deposits and assets. Now we can save the ledger. Third transaction, purchased office furniture rupees 20,000 by cash. We are purchasing furniture by cash. So now we want to create a furniture ledger. Furniture ledger. Furniture account. Furniture account. It's a fixed assets. It's a fixed assets. Now we can save. Next one, we have paid salaries by cash. Salaries account data to cash. Now we want to create a salaries account ledger. Salaries account. Salaries paid, it's a indirect expense. It comes under indirect expense. Now we can save a screen. Next one, open a bank account in HDFC Bank. We are depositing 1 lakh rupee. HDFC Bank to cash. We want to create a HDFC Bank ledger. HDFC Bank ledger, it comes under bank accounts. Now we can save the screen. Next one, purchased cell phone to office purpose by check. We are purchasing cell phone, we are paying check. Cell phone account data to bank. Now I am creating cell phone ledger. Cell phone account. Cell phone account. It's a fixed asset. Now we can save. So this like depending on the transactions we want to record a ledger. Now Here we have purchased goods from HV Technologies by cash. Purchase account data to cash. Now I want to create a purchase ledger. Purchase. It comes under purchase group, purchase account. Now we can save the screen. Ledger we are created. Now sold goods to Kiran Technologies by cash. Now sales ledger I want to create. Sales. It comes under sales account. We want to select a under group. We want to save. Next we have purchased goods from HV Technologies by credit. This is a credit purchase. Purchase account data to HV Technologies. So purchase ledger already I am created. Now I want to create a HV Technology. Now HV Technology is the giver. So it comes under sundry creditors. HV Technologies. He is a sundry creditor. Now you can save the ledger. Next one, sold goods to Kiran Technologies by credit. Kiran Technologies to sales. Now we want to create a Kiran Technologies ledger. Kiran Technologies. Kiran Technologies is a receiver. That's why he comes under sundry debitors account. Now we can save the ledger. Rent paid by cash. I have one bill, rent paid by cash. Now we want to create a ledger rent paid. Rent paid. It comes under indirect expenses. Now I have one more bill, commission received by cash. This is income for us. So commission received we want to create. Commission received. It comes under indirect incomes. It comes under indirect incomes. Suppose I have one more ledger, depreciation. Depreciation on furniture. Depreciation accounts, it is also comes under indirect expense. Wages paid. I want to create a wages paid ledger. Wages paid. It comes under direct expense. Wages paid comes under direct expense. Direct expense. Now we can save. This like in Tally we want to create a ledger. So now I want to go back to main gateway of Tally screen means you can press escape button. Now in our company how many ledgers we have, I want to view that one means we are selecting display button. See, in a company now I am created this much ledgers. Now I want to open any one ledger. Which ledger do you want to open? You can select it, give enter. Now our ledger is displayed. Under display screen, it is not possible to altering anything. It is not possible to deleting. Only it is possible to view that one. So you want to go back means you can press escape button. Escape. Now on the time of ledger creation, I done some mistakes. I want to modify that one. I want to delete that ledger means I am going to alter. Now we can select which ledger do you want to delete. Suppose I want to delete this ledger. You can select it. You can press Alt D button. Delete shortcut key Alt D. Enter. Now we don't have that depreciation ledger. We are deleted permanently. Suppose now I want to modify this ledger. Purchase. Suppose I want to type here purchase returns. Purchase returns ledger. Now I modified a ledger. Now we can save that one. Now I modified a ledger. Now we want to save a ledger. So now on the place of purchase returns is came. This like it is possible to creating, displaying and altering the ledger. So now in a single ledger how to create a ledger we learned. Now multiple ledgers we have here. What is the difference between single and multiple ledgers means? Single ledger means one time it is possible to creating only one ledger. And also here it is showing other information, address details and all. In multiple ledger create, it is possible to creating at a time one or more ledgers. You can select all items. It is possible to creating one or more ledgers. So under group I am selected all items. Now I am creating purchase ledger. It comes under purchase group. Next, suppose I want to create a sales returns. Sales returns. It comes under sales account. Capital ledger. I want to create a capital. It comes under capital group. Carriage inwards. I want to create a carriage inwards ledger. It comes under direct expenses. This like at a time in one screen it is possible to more than one ledger. It is possible to saving at a time. Now multiple display means in our company how many ledgers do you have? With under groups at a time it is possible to displaying all items. See, with under groups all ledgers we have total 19 ledger. With under groups it is displaying. Now I want to alter all ledgers in a company at a time. I am selecting multiple ledger alter button. All items, see at a time it is possible to altering a ledger. Suppose here I want to type a capital account. This like it is possible to altering. Already we have name. So already we have name. So this like. After alter we want to save a screen control. This like in Tally it is possible to creating, altering and deleting a ledger.